And that's precisely why we agreed and I moved na yung suggestion ni Senator Bongo ay yun ang gawin, which is ibalik muna, whether we call it remand return or ibalik muna sa House, because ang magiging botohan sana nung araw na yon ay to dismiss. And kung na-dismiss during that time, what would be next? De pagdating nung bagong 12 senador, back to zero kami. But ngayon na ibinalik, so one, mahihimay natin yung issue that did they or did they not violate the Constitution in terms of one impeachment lang in a year, di ba? Secondly, obvious naman yung di ba? Pagka nag-appoint sila ng bagong prosecutor at dumating sila, interesado pa sila. Kung hindi sila dumating sa korte, hindi na sila interesado. Pero hindi mo pwedeng sabihin yan from the 19th Congress, sa 20th Congress. And then ganun din, hindi pa natin masabi kung ano ang magiging botohan ng 24 kasi may 12 kang bago.